Look out, Emme. Okay, Emme, go.
Hi. The title of my talk is Mold. It's in the cheese. There are many types of cheeses. There are hard cheeses, moist cheeses, and soft cheeses. But they all grow mold. I was thinking that does the type of cheese affect the amount of mold when it's growing? Well, I hypothesize that mold will grow fastest on cream cheese because it is the softest. I also predict that mold will grow the slowest on Parmesan cheese because it is the hardest. Project design. For my project, I will study the cheese, cream cheese, Parmesan, and Monterey Jack affects the amount of mold growth in 1 week. Independent variable. The one thing that I will change is the type of cheese, cream cheese, Parmesan, and Monterey Jack. Dependent variable. The time it took for the mold to grow and the amount of cheese. Control variable. The size of cheese, the temperature, the humidity, the amount of light, the mold type, the size of container, and the size of container. Materials. 3 types of cheese. Parmesan, Monterey Jack, and original. Cream cheese. Spoon, a knife, a cutting board, a magic roller, a half a square inch graph paper, tape, petri dishes from Amazon.com, rubber gloves, marker, notebook, mask, pencil, goggles, lab coat, camera, and ruler. My methods. Each cheese was cut or spread into 4 pieces of the same size, 5 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide, half a centimeter thick. The molded cheese samples, the cheese sat cover open for 4 hours. For the control, the cheese was covered and sealed with tape immediately after placing in the dish. After 4 hours, the moldy cheese sample plates were covered and sealed with tape in a high closet where my siblings could not reach it. And the area of the mold growth was measured using graph paper, half-centimeter squares, and recorded. Measurements were repeated every 24 hours for 1 week. Which leads me right into my data. You see, I have these 3 tables here on how it grew. You see, on day 3, cream cheese started to grow, and you see right here is where is some specky and it's greenish blue, and it's fuzzy. It's pretty disgusting, but by the time on day 7, it looked like this: red mold, black mold, brown mold, red mold, white mold, and red and yellow mold, and etc., etc. On Monterey Jack, it started growing on day 5, and it grew on day 7. And it also had some spores because mold is actually fungi just like mushrooms, and it also releases spores too. And so it has we have white polka dot mold, green, yellowish, greenish mold, red mold, yellow mold, etc., etc., etc. But on Parmesan, it never grew. And we never even had a stick of mold. But Parmesan, it stayed the same because I read in the book that Roman soldiers, they ate Parmesan in battles because it would not rot quicker than any other cheese. So, and it has less moisture because it is aged longer. And my results are mold grew faster on cream cheese than Monterey Jack and Parmesan cheese. Conclusion: these results confirm my hypothesis is that mold would grow faster on cream cheese. Impact: when you start learning to cook, some cheese may go bad faster than others, and it might make people sick if they are kept out. This is the... Alright, does anybody have any questions?
Great job, Emme.
Please leave them in the comment box after you watch this video.
Thanks.